What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Daisy Flower Girl. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just not coming, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will know each and every time I do come on. Yes, I've been gone for a second, but I am back with another banger. So today I have Crush soda, I have peach, I have strawberry, and I also have that new watermelon. Yes, and I cannot forget the pineapple. Yes, you guys, and to top it off, I have a 10-pound bag of Sonic crushed ice. And I'm going to be putting it in my nice bowl. And I'm going to drink it. But I'm also going to see what it does. Like, I'm also going to see if it turns colors or how it tastes. Because I never really tried these flavors before. And also, like, how they make me burp. We're going to see. So let me get to it. I miss you guys so much. Like, I couldn't do it no more. Like I told you guys, I've been in school and stuff, so it's been kind of like real tight. My schedule has been really, got my ice together, and I'm gonna go with the watermelon crush. I never tried watermelon crush before. I didn't even know it was out. So I had to give it a try. Oh, it smells good, you guys. It smells so fruity. And I'm gonna go with the peach. One thing about their sodas, like, they really smell good. And the pineapple. Now, pineapple, I love pineapple soda, period. I really don't care what kind it is. I just love pineapple soda. And it give it a nice color. That is super awesome. And not least, but the last one, strawberry. Look at the colors. Oh. I made a nice concoction. And I forgot I had grape for my grape soda lovers. Woo. That one had a strong fizz to it. I'm gonna pour that one in the middle. Yes. That is so awesome with my ice. This is gonna be great. Oh, yes. This is really good. I have like 5 flavors in one with my ice. Really good. About to get a brain freeze. Hold on. This is like the best ice. This is really good. Like I could taste the pineapple, the watermelon, the grape, the strawberry, and it all mixed well together. It doesn't taste nasty. It's really good. It's so nice. I just want to play with it. Ugh. Oh, excuse me. You guys, this is so good. So you guys, it's just like, I wanted to talk about like if you're going through anything, any struggle, just know that there is a better tomorrow. You can get through it if you stay strong and you believe. You can get through anything that you're going through. Don't let nobody tell you different. And you can get through it. And if you understand and believe in God, you can definitely get through it. I don't know what everybody believe in, but you know, like if you believe in God, you definitely can get through anything that you're going through. This is so good. Like people think that I don't go through things. Like I do. I'm a human just like everybody else. This ice is so. Look at all this ice. If you have any ideas that you would like for me to do, comment below. Also, follow me on Instagram. My contact information will be at the bottom below. Also, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Give me some different ideas that you would like for me to do. If you request, I should be able to do them. I like to try different challenges and reviews on different things. So just let me know. If you don't want to comment on below, you can also contact me on Instagram. Like I said, my information is down below, so you can always get in contact with me. Hold up. I think a burp is trying to come. It don't want to come as hard. Hold on. It wanted to come, but I don't know what's going on. This was super fun, guys. It came, but it didn't come like I expected it for it to come. You know how you got a burp, but like you be thinking it's about to be like a real big one. Mm. 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 You guys, this has been really fun. Hopefully I can do this again on different ones. I won't tell you which one it will be, but it'll definitely be fun. Mm. This weekend it was okay. It really went by fast. I can't believe tomorrow is Monday. Oh yeah, we had like my mother's birthday. It was so freaking like awesome. She had like we rented her out like a nice big suite. Where they had like open bar, they had food and everything, and then like upstairs, at her room, we had like a big slumber party. She had cake, cupcakes, food, and then the next day, of course, part two, she had a nice dinner. So that was really nice for her birthday. What else new been going on with me? I'm getting close to finishing school. I'm about to graduate July 14th. I can't wait. 2 more classes to go and then I'm finished. And what else? That's about it. And then I'm getting ready for my family reunion in June. So that's like coming up really fast because May is really like, to me, May is a quick month. Like April seemed like it was the longest and hardest, but May definitely goes by quick. Didn't come out how I wanted to. But, I'm just trying to stay focused on the right path and just keep staying positive and just, having positive people around me and, just staying focused and uplifted, doing what I gotta do. That's what it's all about. Oh yeah, let me know if you want me and my mother to collab on a video doing a challenge. But you have to comment below and let me know what challenge you want us to do. Me and her haven't did anything in a while, so. This is really good. And my ice is still good. Like, with this ice, it's just like the best. Like, it's still there. It hasn't went nowhere. It's easy to crunch. For all my ice lovers, this is the ice. I'm super full off soda. So what are you guys doing for Mother's Day? Can you believe that Mother's Day is, Sunday? Which is, the 12th? I cannot believe it's coming up this weekend. Like, oh my gosh. I love Mother's Day, though. The only thing is with my mother is that her birthday is April 29th. And that's just like, the week before Mother's Day? Oh, 2 weeks, actually. But it just seemed like it comes so fast. I just celebrated her birthday, and now Mother's Day. Like, to me, that's back to back. And my mother is not cheap. She is expensive. This is so freaking good, you guys. I feel like I'm cooking soup or something. I'm mixing some stuff together. Mm. 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 This has been really awesome, you guys. I got to share with you guys the crush flavors that I chose, which was strawberry, pineapple, peach, and the new watermelon. And I also gave you my review on how they taste, what my thoughts were about those flavors, and I also showed you how well they mix together. The flavors went very well together, and also the Sonic Crushed Ice is super good. I don't know if you have a Sonic in your area, but you know, in certain areas, you can get this ice brought in a bag. You can buy a 10-pound bag. And yeah, I had to come back to my family, which is you guys. I miss you guys so, so much. And I had to come back on here to let you know that I haven't gone anywhere. I'm back. I'm back strong, and I'm ready to give you guys what I came to do. And I came to inspire people. So I am here. If you want to ask me any questions, you want to talk to me, you know what to do. You know how to contact me. My Instagram is down below. DM me, comment below on here or on any video. I will reply back. And I love you guys so, so much. I miss you guys so, so, so much. And I will be back very, very soon. And I love you guys. Bye.